Concrete in concrete. The armchair Sport is made out of the same material as its environment, but it is somehow quite different. This table is also made of concrete. It's called fruit. And this is Paulsberg. The young designers from Dresden have known each other since school. They've been working on their concrete furniture now for over a year.
Concrete is an unbelievably versatile material which is actually more than 2,000 years old. It offers endless new variations. There are always great things you can do with it, and it's just totally malleable.
Concrete lost its bad reputation a long time ago. These days, it's a popular material in modern design. But as varied as the design is, one thing hasn't changed. Concrete furniture is mostly chunky and heavy. Paulsberg could take the trend in a new direction. Their furniture is more delicate and it's also much lighter.
Most of the customers first ask whether it's really concrete. They just can't imagine that it is. Some of them think it's plastic, others metal. That's because we work with such delicate and organic forms, which wasn't possible before in concrete.
The secret of Paulsberg's furniture is this new composite. The carbon textile, developed by the Technical University of Dresden, serves to stabilize the concrete. That offers advantages over the classic alternative, steel.
You can see the advantage over steel with this little sample here. You can see quite clearly how the carbon is placed in the middle of the concrete matrix. Steel rusts, and to prevent it from rusting, you have to stop air getting to the steel, air and water. That's why you've always had to have a 3 to 4 centimeter thick layer. And when you scale that up, you've got at least 8 to 9 centimeters of material in the end. With us, it's different. Carbon doesn't rust. Nothing can happen to it, so we only need a minimum of 2 millimeters of covering.
Paulsberg has the exclusive rights for making furniture with the new composite for 2 years. It's all handmade, almost like baking a cake. First, the mold for the furniture has to be made. Then the concrete, a mixture of cement, aggregate, and water, is applied thinly. After that comes the carbon textile and a further layer of concrete. The furniture then has to cure for 3 days. The finished table by Paulsberg will cost 2,400 euros.
If you tell people, potential customers, that it's handmade, and when they understand how the furniture is created, as well as the individual character of each piece, which is not possible with industrial production, when they understand that, the price actually becomes immaterial.
Ist der Preis dann eigentlich auch nebensächlich.
The Paulsberg designers can't afford to buy their own furniture yet. Right now, they have to put everything they have into building up their company, attracting the attention of customers, retailers, and the press. The DMY International Design Festival in Berlin is a good opportunity. The young businessmen have 5 days to showcase their furniture. The DMY is also a good chance to get feedback from experienced designers, like Werner Eislinger. He's one of Germany's most famous designers and a member of the festival jury.
The chair is very comfortable. I also think it looks very comfortable. Of course, concrete is a hard material, so you're not going to expect it to be fluffier than an upholstered sofa. But because the ergonomics and the shape are very rounded and soft, I'm actually sitting very comfortably here.
The furniture goes on sale in August. A dining chair is also planned. The positive feedback has put the furniture makers in an optimistic mood.
We want to be able to surprise people even more than we're already doing. We want to stay exciting and develop our own language so that one day people say, yes, that's a piece of Paulsberg furniture. It's our goal to make that recognizable.
The Paulsberg company has a chance to get its innovative design into the living rooms of the world.